Hi, my name is Miguel, one of the service advisors here at Dahmer Kia. As we head into fall and winter, it's really important to make sure your wiper blades are in good shape. Wipers don't last forever. Over time, the rubber can crack, streak, or skip across your windshield. That means less visibility in the rain, snow, and even early morning fog. And that can be a real safety concern. We recommend replacing your blades about every 6 to 12 months, or whenever you notice streaking, squeaking. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. So next time you're in for service for your wiper blades, we'll make sure you're ready for whatever the weather brings.